We use earphones almost daily, usually while traveling and maybe while working out. With great power comes greater responsibility, and with earphones come tangled wires. Well, that's not the case here. With the headphone jack gone MIA, I think it's time to upgrade. Hey, what's up guys, this is Andropunk here, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the Leaf Ear wireless earphones. Now, Leaf did send this out for review, but as usual that won't affect my opinions. So without any further delay, let's begin. The unboxing experience was pretty decent. You get a carry case with the Leaf branding on top, a feedback card and a user manual where all the gestures lie. Inside the carry case you get the earphones itself, 3 extra earbuds, 2 earphones and a cable to charge the earphones. Moving forward, the design. These are designed just like any other wireless earphones we'll find out there, which of course isn't a bad thing, because what matters the most is the build and sound quality of a earphone. Talking about the build quality, the earphones are made of plastic. I won't say it's cheap quality, but it's not premium either. But the best part is it's lightweight, which is great. The matte finish on the body does give it a better touch. The audio quality is the main aspect of any earphone, and that's what everyone looks for while buying a wireless earphone, and I have to say Leaf has done a pretty decent job. The sound quality is good and there are no distortions whatsoever. At the outset I felt like the bass was okay-ish, but eventually I got used to it and it's actually quite good. The vocals are very clean and they don't sound muffled up. All the controls for the earphones are housed onto the right piece. Holding down the button for a couple of times turns on the device. You can also answer calls by tapping on the button twice. Yes, it has a mic to answer your calls. The quality of the mic is actually decent. Moving on to the battery life. The company promises 8 hours of battery, and I have to say the battery life has actually impressed me. In my experience, it lasted for up to 7 to 8 hours. Comfort is very important, especially when it's a sports earphone, cause there's a lot of running and jumping around, and sadly they didn't do their best in this segment. The earphones are not that comfy, and yes, I've tried all the earbuds which come with it. It does stay in place no matter how much you jog. After using it continuously for some time, you may feel fatigue, and by some time I mean an hour or so. And I almost forgot to say the earphones are sweatproof, so you need not worry about that when you go for a run. Overall, these are a good pair of wireless earphones, although they could have done better with the comfort area, but I won't say it will affect everyone. These retail on Amazon for Rs 2,499 and come in 3 different colors. Links will be down in the description, and if you enjoyed this video, do leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and until then, peace. With